Hello, my friends. If you want to be healthy this year, it's only going to take a 5-minute DIY to achieve that goal. First, I'm going to show you how to do this quick DIY, then I'll share with you why this is going to help improve your health mentally and physically in the long run. You'll need a yoga mat. Thicker feels better, but you can use whatever you have stashed away in some forgotten corner. You can use any thick fabric of choice like canvas or outdoor fabric or anything you have. For example, I am using thick nylon. It's already in my stash collection. The pattern hides stains well. It won't collect dust and will wash easily. I don't mind getting it dirty and I don't care to wear it, so it's perfect for this project. First, there's no need to vacuum this carpet. Totally less work for you. It is washable, it has less dust, which is especially good for those who have allergies to dust or mites. It keeps your feet warm when you wake up for sure, and you can change the design out easily any moment. The most important benefit is it reminds you daily upon waking up or sleeping to relieve stress or muscle tensions, leading to better circulation, better sleep, and overall better health. If you like this simple, easy DIY with health benefits, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. In the Lunar New Year of the Rabbit, I wish you energy and joy like the little hopper. You are always welcome to my channel so we can create and make a lot of things this year. I'll see you soon. Bye.